Unit 9 Inheritance, Topic 9.3 Overriding Methods. Inheritance allows classes to share common characteristics like their attributes and behaviors. But what if we want to modify a method to behave in a specific manner within its subclass? This modification is called method overriding. Method overriding occurs when a public method in a subclass has the same method signature as a public method in the superclass. In Unit 2, we mentioned method overloading. It occurs within the same class. The method must have the same name, but different signatures. Some common examples are constructors. In this case, we have a default constructor person and a constructor that takes in two parameters. How is method overriding different from method overloading? This occurs across a subclass and its superclass within an inheritance relationship. The methods must have the same name and the same signatures. The most common example is the toString method. In the example with the speak method, depending on the object that calls it, it will output different values. Any method that is called must be defined within its own class or its superclass. A subclass is usually designed to have modified overridden or additional methods or instance variables. We saw these examples in Lesson 9.1. Musicians, comedians, and dancers all have access to the performer class instance variables and methods. They also have unique variables and methods that belong specifically to them, such as instrument, jokes, and shoe size. The practice and perform methods are really good candidates for method overriding, as each subclass might have specific ways of practicing and performing. You can pause and try out this example. What is common across all subclasses and their superclass? How are each subclasses unique? What methods in the superclass might be good candidates for method overriding? A subclass will inherit all public methods from the superclass. These methods remain public in the subclass. In summary, any method called by an object must be defined someplace in the class hierarchy. A subclass inherits all variables and methods from its superclass. A subclass can add additional variables and methods specific to its class. And a subclass can modify methods by overriding them. Method overriding occurs when a method in the subclass has the same method signature as the method in its superclass. Let's put it all together. I have constructed 3 subclasses that extend the superclass animal. They all have an overridden method called speak. This will return different values specific to their classes. Notice how the overridden method speak will return different string values specific to the type of object that calls it. The 9.3 daily videos 1 and 2 explore and practice overriding methods in more detail.